What are you fat boys doing out here today? Huh? What is up? You hungry? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Let's go. Get in there. Let's go. Come on. Not you. Crazy. That was pretty crazy, wasn't it? What do you think? That was pretty crazy. Red sky in morning. Yeah, not really. So not much warning to take smoke. You can still smell it, but it's not as visible this morning yet. So day vlog, day 41. All right. Oh, you can't help but laugh. Oh, you can't help but laugh. Oh, so following up on some things that I heard yesterday. I just didn't get out. Following along still on the Vegas shooter thing, because it's just continuing down the rabbit trail of insanity, if anybody still believes the official line here. They have somebody has broken into the shooter's house that was up here in Reno. Who knows what they recovered, but I guess there was forced entry, etc. Any smart criminal wouldn't do that. A dumb criminal might, or somebody who knew there was something in there that they probably hadn't got yet and needed to recover it. Sure, we'll never hear what happened there. Another story that came out, or not a story, more information, I guess you would say. The shooter was given access to the service elevator of the hotel. I inquired a little bit because it seemed kind of outrageous when you think about security measures that they would give access to somebody, especially, I mean, yeah, he was a high roller, but he wasn't Bill Gates, you know. It's not like he was buying the place for him. Supposedly he had access to the service elevator, and I just inquired. Some people I know that have worked in big casinos like that. Hey, would guests get access, the high rollers, to service elevators? I would say they were laughing, but it was through text messaging, so they probably were laughing as they texted me back, no. And they were more emphatic than just no. But yeah, that's a serious concern. Now, law enforcement and fire and people have special keys to access elevators. Fire in particular. I'm not even sure about police. I think they rely on central control from the casino even. But it just furthers that down that he was in on it with other people. That I mean, if you had an inside guy give him access, or if you want to go down a couple of theories of what was going on when this all went down of mine, I don't know if I'm ready to approach those yet, because it's too good, the information that still comes out. It's just good enough to follow those along and see where the trail leads. But yeah, just some guy who's above average wealthy, but not a nobody, essentially, gets access to a service elevator. Yeah, okay. Things are very fishy in Denmark, without a doubt. No doubt.
That's 888-573-5335. Want to find me on Twitter? It's easy. It's @MarkPacker. Mention Mike Garvin. Run this bad boy. He's up in D.C. You know our guest list for the day. You know Campus Conversation follows us tonight. Now, a couple things. There's notes. Then we'll get right into games this week because it's go time for week 7. A couple things. I saw today that this dreaded hoop scandal that the FBI has started.
All right, everyone. Quick afternoon walkabout. We definitely got smoke coming in from California. You see, it's really hazy. More so to the north than the south, which kind of makes sense. Catching up on a real quick thing for vlog today: the Catalonian referendum and their standoff with the Spanish government. The Catalonian government has declared independence and then put a hold on it, and the Spanish government has given them 8 days. Interesting situation developing there with the whole status of the EU and economically the implications that could have with really everywhere. I mean, that could have a lot of large order effects that most people aren't aware of. But yeah, go check that out. Kind of lost track a little bit last week of it with the Vegas thing, but definitely a situation to monitor. It's 1/5 of the Spanish economy that's gone if Catalonia does break away. Pretty much Madrid has declared that they will take over the Catalonian region and govern it itself, which could cause other problems. There are large-scale, I would say, resistance movements within Catalonia that have been kind of subdued the last decade or so, but business could pick up quite a bit if they decide to activate, I guess you'd call it, if the Spanish government makes more moves like they did during the referendum itself with the police actions and the police state coming in. And the EU wants to back that because they can't have the EU breaking up. They can't have more Brexit activity. Oh, a little breezy. Keep you out of the wind here. They can't have more Brexit activity because the EU, as far as economic union, is on its last leg. And they're in worse shape than the Federal Reserve in the United States. So that's something to watch. They said they give them 8 days. So what happens in 8 days if Catalonia doesn't rescind its independence, I guess, is up for negotiation. The Catalonians said they want to enter negotiations when they kind of suspended their independence declaration. So it's all politics and posturing. Who knows if the Catalonians the Catalonian government's just going to ask for concessions, or if they're going to go hard line like a lot of the voters wanted them to go, and go hard line and outright independence and the problems that would cause. More to follow.